Welcome to part 11 of building a tiny house under 5,000, and in this video we are gonna get on and have the OSB flooring in already. In the last video we put the insulation and the wind membrane. That is all nice, but now we need to make it solid to be able to walk across and have it ready for doing the walls. So let's get started. First thing, we gotta drill out some holes for the pipes and then get on with the floor. Disc you get.
That's quite of a fatness of the wood.
Yeah.
That's where it was struggling.
That's quite fat.
So I gotta lift it all the way up and hope they fit.
Pipe first.
Yep.
We lay them all out?
Yeah.
Or do we screw them because we know where the screws are? And after we'll not.
Okay.
We can leave a bit of a gap. Out the way. Put it down and then come up.
Oh, our line's perfect. Oh, finally.
Are we on the wood?
Yep.
We have achieved this with no other help.
Okay, is it 2 more? Do they go perfect?
3 more, I think. 1.5 or something now. It's really good, stable. Very stable. And for not having screws in the middle.
I'm starting to feel the work on my tailbone. We were saying with David, like the first year we could not carry those OSBs, and now we don't feel the weight. They're honestly like, yeah, good.
Feels good though, no?
Yeah.
When you have an actual floor with the floor insulation thingy, the little floor damper.
That's really good. Love it, love it, love it. So we have to cut this much off. Which is okay, I guess. What can we do?
Yeah.
That is not the worst. The worst is that we need to cut holes everywhere. For 1, 2 pipes for now.
This one's only 2.
This one's only 2, but then we have like...
That one's also 2. And then
one.
another 1. That's only 5 holes.
I guess.
Can you get a marker? Because I'm not sure if that's the right hole.
Millie.
Ja, Bismillah. Ik heb bullet.
Millie wants to go sleep. You tired?
Wait, put it down. Can you hold it?
What is it?
Yeah, I gotta take the level away.
Machi, machi.
Witchy, witchy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come down. Come on.
Okay, one.
Ah, the other one's much lower.
Yeah.
Over to me. Wait, my feet. My feet. Oh,
Does it fit?
does it fit? Yeah. It fits.
Like a glove.
Good job, Pipey.
Oh, that's gonna be the washing machine. Exactly what Nanzu will make.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, we are officially done with one side.
That was actually,
The easy part.
I don't know, maybe.
I don't
I mean,
know.
that's the hard part. I guess we gotta just repeat that. everywhere.
Honestly, I don't. At this point, I don't know what's the easy part.
Nothing's
Nothing is
hard.
easy.
No, nothing's hard.
Really nice.
Yeah.
So the question is, do we just put temporarily against something, cover it, and move on? Or do we move on now?
Or do we start working on the wall? So it's the next day. We're gonna continue on, and we're gonna put on the OSB sheet. The last one's few missing, and then we're gonna be done with the floor. We're gonna have a nice solid floor. So let's take off this one and clean off some of the things that the wind brought over, which is some leaves and stuff, so we don't get that trapped beneath the floor and this sheet. It's also going to elevate our floor in the corners and on top of the framing. So let's get that removed and get the floor on.
Plus, we have to also put one more sheet of wind barrier, which we didn't do.
Ah, yeah, here on the very corner.
Yeah, it's like this tiny 30-centimeter piece missing.
Yeah, let's get that done.
In theory, if you take it off, like this.
What is the theory?
In theory, it is like almost good, but it needs to overlaps over. So, it's like so little.
It's almost, but not enough.
It's like enough, but not enough. Okay, so let's remove them, stick that on, and be done. Receiving. Evie loves the sewage.
So as you can see, I'm walking on our floor and it is beautiful and nicely done. I'm pretty happy how it turned out, and all the plumbing is in its places and correctly. And now we are ready to go on with the walls. We have done it quite far already, and this kind of sets us in the way of water is our enemy right now, because we currently have done the floors quite nice and water can't damage it. Even though this says waterproof OSB, I do not trust that it's that waterproof. So we need to get the walls up and the roof on as soon as possible, just to prevent water from going in, because our tarp kind of bad as well, because it's covered in micro holes. So it means it's kind of leaking in after the water's sitting on it. So we can't live with that tarp for too long, and of course we still got to keep going. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the progress. The walls feel really nice, solid, no movement. I'm pretty happy with the additional framing we added. And with the 13mm floors that are going on top, those will add a lot more rigidity. You're not gonna feel any movement in the floor. So I think at the end of the day, it's gonna be pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we are gonna see you in the next one when we tackle on the walls. That is our next big job. Bye-bye. I'm out. This is too hot for today.
Yeah, now our biggest enemy is the heat. Before it was the rain, now it's the heat. It's never.
The summer has arrived though.
It's never good enough.